Hi, I'm Sydney. Welcome back to my channel. This is my new background. Love it. Love it. I'm gonna do a little Shein try-on haul right now of all the stuff I got from Black Friday. I ordered an order from Black Friday at midnight, like on Black Friday. So at midnight on Black Friday, I ordered something from Shein and then they got me again and then I ordered something in the afternoon. So these are two separate orders but in one video because why not? This is the first shirt I got. Love it. I think I put a bra on. Super see-through. Yeah, I love it. Little turtleneck. I got this necklace and it's all one piece. Okay, cute. I got this necklace which is two pieces. Butterfly, cute. He doesn't even look at it before I try it on. Cute. So pretty. Back at it again with the colored shirts. You'll literally, I wear stripes, colored shirts, psychotic patterns, and never pants. Always just like shorts, skirts, or dresses. Back, all see-through, you know, cute shirt. I also got this jacket. It's really itchy, so you have to wear a long sleeve under it. Also, this is the back of this, if I just show you this. I got this shirt, it's a bodysuit. I wore it out already. I have this shirt in like 3 other colors too, but it's really comfortable. This one is like thinner. I got this shirt. The arms are so big, but it's still really cute. I love stripes. I will literally, if any shirt is stripes, I'm just like, I love it! Gotta get that one! Totally does not go with my outfit, but I got this belt. Honestly, my friend posted a story of this belt and it was like $40 and this one was $3. Love it. Puffy sleeves, and not only that, but open the back. Are you kidding? I love this shirt. It's so fun. So cute. Perfect. Love it. 10 out of 10. I also got this shirt. It's kind of like the last one, but it's open in the front. Oh my gosh, it is so soft. This is the cutest thing. It's so soft, has like kind of like a little puppy shoulder vibe. So much to make a picture, okay? I just love this though. It's literally, you have to get this. Like I'm gonna link everything below, and like this, if you get anything from this haul, get this. I literally am obsessed. I'll be wearing this every day. Me and my friends went out the other night. They picked me up and we went to like this lake by my house. And I wore this jacket and they're like, Sydney, you realize it's cold? And I was like, what do you mean? And they're like, this is so thin. So like, yeah, it's a little thin, but so cute. Wardrobe over weather. I got these pants. There's more. Okay. And then this thing like ties up and around like that. Obviously wear like a littler shirt. It's so cute. I actually really like these. I can buy it. See, they like flare at the bottom. Cute. The measures I go to get these pants in the photo. I also got these pants. Look at them. I don't wear jeans. I don't like pants. So the weirder the better. Also, I accidentally ordered 2 of those jackets, the like half plaid one. Shorts I'd wear out on like a date. Imagine me going out in public wearing this shirt with these shorts, this background. I got this little pajama set. Cute. Pants. I got some elephants. Is it elephant? Oh, it's just elephants? Okay, I love elephants. That's cute. Oh wow, that comes a lot. It comes with this bag. Whatever you want to put in here. Scrunchy and eyeliner. Can you see this? But still wait for it, okay? And an option. We got a whole look here for bed. You have so many options with this whole thing. So I originally ordered this shirt in green a long time ago. I wanted this one, but they were sold out and now they have it. So they have it again. Love collared shirts, so cute. Yeah, super comfy. Love it, love it. I got this shirt, super cute. Oh, I used to go hang out with my neighbors downstairs. So thank you for watching this try on haul. Like it and subscribe. Link below. Link here. If you want me to do more try on hauls, I literally order way too much shit all the time. So like and subscribe and comment down below because I shop a lot and I should just haul everything I shop because that's always a lot. Have a good day.